Now for the cold stone massage, the important thing is that we're going to do some pressure points on the face before we actually put the cold stones. So we start with the pressure points on the sinus area. And this is after we have done a nice neck massage already on the client and a nice scalp massage. And then we're going to do some mild myofascial pulling on the forehead, upward. And then across. This is to get the blood flow going away from the forehead and around, away from the sinus area. And then once we're done, we do a nice neck stretch on the client. All the blood flowing and the muscles to loosen up. And then we're going to put our hands right underneath towards the occipital area and just do a nice pull. And then massage it just a bit. Just carefully. If they have a really bad headache, then you want to be very careful. They might be very sensitive in this spot. I'm going to cover her hair just a bit just to not get it too wet. You're going to have a towel put here to the side to dry your stones. And we've got several different sizes. We're going to use half moons because she has a nice little petite face. Dry them off in the round one. And we start by centering it right along this area. Now the cold stones are already going to sit in a bowl of ice water. Half ice and half water, and you're going to let it sit for a good 30 minutes and have it ready for your client. Right along this area. How's that feel? Good. If they have puffiness around the eyes, we also have the smaller half moon, and you can always set it right underneath for those that do have some puffiness. If not, then we use the larger half moon and we could set it right on the eyes. So you have a choice either or. And then once we're done, we're pulling right on the chin. So this is to demonstrate the two different ways that you can have it done. And then we're going to alternate. We're going to grab two of these round ones and then right along the temple area. You're going to carefully put it, hold it right up for 10 to 20 seconds. If it's too cold for the client, she'll let you know that it's uncomfortable, and then you move away from it just a bit. This is to restrict the blood vessels that causes that throbbing pain, but it's also very soothing. So after you've held these for 20 seconds, you're going to grab the larger stones, which are pretty big and heavy. I'm going to dry them off really well. This is going to go under the occipital area. You're going to carefully set them underneath and keep them on there for 20 seconds. And then you're going to remove, and they stay cold, so you can put them aside. But you're going to grab 2 more of these round ones because after a while they get a little warm. Dry them up really well. And again, for 20 seconds, right along the temple area. It's also great for those who have TMJ problems. And after 20 seconds, you remove it. Grab the 2 large ones again along the occipital area. And you have them a little bit at a slant. Now, if you happen to have aromatherapy for headaches, you can also use this for pressure points around the face after you've applied these cold stones. And after 20 seconds, you remove them. And then you carefully remove all the other cold stones, ending with the center one being the very last one because it's the one that's the most soothing.